Welcome. If you're new to business management, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the basics of managing a business, from understanding what management really means to exploring the key skills you'll need to succeed. Whether you're planning to start your own company or want to move up in your current job, mastering these fundamentals will set you on the right path. Let's start by defining what business management is and why it's so important for any organization. Business management is the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling the resources of an organization to achieve its goals efficiently and effectively. It's about making sure that every part of a business works together smoothly. Good management helps businesses grow, adapt to changes, and stay competitive. In the next scene, we'll look at the main functions of management and how they work together to keep a business running. There are four main functions in business management: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Planning involves setting goals and deciding how to achieve them. Organizing means arranging resources and tasks to carry out the plan. Leading is about motivating and guiding people to work towards the goals. Controlling involves monitoring progress and making adjustments as needed. Together, these functions help managers steer their businesses toward success. Planning is the foundation of effective management. It starts with understanding where you want your business to go and how you'll get there. This means setting clear, achievable goals and outlining the steps needed to reach them. Good planning helps you anticipate challenges and make better decisions. In the next scene, we'll see how organizing turns plans into action. So you have a plan. Organizing is about arranging resources like people, money, and materials so your plan can be carried out. This involves assigning tasks, setting up teams, and making sure everyone knows their role. Effective organizing ensures that nothing falls through the cracks and that your business runs smoothly. Next, we'll explore the importance of leadership and management. Leading is all about inspiring and motivating your team to achieve the business's goals. Good leaders communicate clearly, set a positive example, and help their team overcome challenges. Leadership isn't just about giving orders, it's about building trust and encouraging everyone to do their best. In the following scene, we'll discuss how controlling helps keep everything on track. Controlling means monitoring your business's progress and making adjustments when things don't go as planned. This could involve tracking sales, checking budgets, or reviewing team performance. The goal is to catch problems early and fix them before they get bigger. With good control, you can keep your business moving toward its goals. Next, let's look at the key skills every manager needs. To be a successful manager, you need a mix of technical, interpersonal, and decision-making skills. Technical skills help you understand the specific work your business does. Interpersonal skills allow you to communicate and work well with others. Decision-making skills help you choose the best actions for your business. In the next scenes, we'll dive deeper into each of these skill areas. Technical skills are the abilities needed to perform specific tasks related to your business. For example, if you run a bakery, you need to know how to bake bread and manage inventory. These skills are especially important for new managers who are still learning the ropes. Up next, we'll talk about why interpersonal skills matter just as much. Interpersonal skills help you build strong relationships with your team, customers, and partners. Good communication, empathy, and conflict resolution are all part of this skill set. Managers who connect well with others can motivate their teams and create a positive work environment. Next, we'll see how decision-making skills help managers steer their businesses. Decision-making is at the heart of management. Every day, managers face choices, some big, some small. Being able to analyze information, weigh options, and make sound decisions is crucial. Good managers don't just rely on gut feelings, they use data and input from their teams. In the next scene, we'll look at the different levels of management in a business. Businesses often have three main levels of management: top, middle, and lower. Top managers set the overall direction and make big-picture decisions. Middle managers translate those decisions into specific plans for departments. Lower managers supervise day-to-day activities and make sure tasks get done. Each level plays a vital role in the success of the business. Next, let's explore the responsibilities at each level. Top managers, such as CEOs and company presidents, are responsible for setting the vision and long-term goals of the business. They make strategic decisions that affect the entire organization and are often the public face of the company. Their leadership shapes the company's culture and direction. Next, we'll see what middle managers do to support these goals. Middle managers act as a bridge between top management and lower-level employees. They turn big-picture strategies into detailed plans and oversee departments or teams. Middle managers are key to making sure company goals are understood and achieved at every level. In the next scene, we'll discuss the important work of lower-level managers. Lower-level managers, like supervisors and team leaders, handle the day-to-day operations. They assign tasks, monitor performance, and solve immediate problems. These managers are closest to the employees and play a big role in keeping teams motivated and productive. Next, let's look at the different types of business structures you might encounter. Businesses can be organized in different ways, such as sole proprietorships, partnerships, corporations, and limited liability companies (LLCs). Each structure has its own advantages and challenges, from how decisions are made to how profits are shared. Understanding these structures helps you choose the best fit for your business goals. Next, we'll focus on the importance of setting clear goals. Setting goals is more effective when you use the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals give you a clear target and make it easier to track progress. For example, instead of saying increase sales, a SMART goal would be increase sales by 10% in 6 months. In the next scene, we'll talk about building a strong team. A successful business relies on a strong, motivated team. Hearing the right people, providing training, and creating a positive work environment are all essential. Good managers know how to bring out the best in their teams and encourage collaboration. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to delegate tasks effectively. Delegation means assigning tasks to the right people so you can focus on what matters most. Effective delegation helps prevent burnout and allows your team to develop new skills. It's important to trust your team and give them the resources they need to succeed. Next, we'll look at how communication plays a role in management. Clear communication is the backbone of good management. It ensures everyone understands their roles, responsibilities, and the company's goals. Managers should encourage open dialogue, listen to feedback, and address concerns promptly. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to solve problems and make decisions as a manager. Managers face challenges every day, from minor issues to major crises. Effective problem solving involves identifying the root cause, brainstorming solutions, and choosing the best course of action. Good decision making is about balancing risks and benefits. In the next scene, we'll see how time management helps managers stay organized. Time management is crucial for managers who juggle many responsibilities. Prioritizing tasks, setting deadlines, and avoiding distractions help you make the most of your day. Tools like calendars and to-do lists can keep you on track. In the next scene, we'll talk about managing business finances. Understanding and managing finances is key to business success. This includes budgeting, tracking expenses, and making sure the business stays profitable. Managers should regularly review financial reports and adjust plans as needed. Next, we'll discuss the importance of customer focus in business management. Putting customers first helps businesses grow and build loyalty. Managers should listen to customer feedback, improve products or services, and ensure excellent customer service. Happy customers are more likely to return and recommend your business. In the next scene, we'll look at how to handle change in business. Change is a constant in business. Whether it's new technology, market trends, or company growth, managers must help their teams adapt. This means communicating clearly, providing training, and supporting employees through transitions. Next, we'll discuss how to manage business risks. Risk management involves identifying potential problems before they happen and planning how to deal with them. This could mean having backup suppliers, buying insurance, or creating emergency plans. Good risk management protects your business and keeps it running smoothly. Next, we'll look at the importance of business ethics. Ethics are the moral principles that guide business decisions. Acting with integrity builds trust with customers, employees, and partners. Managers should set a good example and create policies that promote honesty and fairness. In the next scene, we'll talk about the role of innovation in business management. Innovation keeps businesses competitive and helps them grow. Managers should encourage creative thinking, support new ideas, and be open to change. This can lead to better products, improved processes, and new opportunities. Next, we'll discuss the importance of continuous improvement. Continuous improvement means always looking for ways to do things better. Managers can use feedback, measure performance, and set new goals to drive progress. This mindset helps businesses stay ahead of the competition. In the next scene, we'll look at how technology impacts business management. Technology has transformed the way businesses operate. From communication tools to data analysis software, managers can use technology to improve efficiency and make better decisions. Staying up to date with new tech trends is essential for modern managers. Next, we'll discuss the importance of networking. Networking helps managers build relationships with other professionals, find new opportunities, and learn from others' experiences. Attending industry events, joining professional groups, and connecting online can all expand your network. In the next scene, we'll look at how to manage business projects. Project management is about planning, executing, and closing projects efficiently. Managers need to set clear objectives, assign tasks, and monitor progress. Good project management ensures that work is completed on time and within budget. Next, we'll discuss the importance of feedback in management. Feedback helps managers and employees improve performance. Giving constructive feedback encourages growth, while receiving feedback helps managers adjust their approach. Open communication about what's working and what isn't leads to better results. In the next scene, we'll talk about managing conflict in the workplace. Conflict is natural in any workplace. Managers should address issues quickly and fairly, listen to all sides, and work toward solutions that benefit everyone. Good conflict management keeps teams focused and productive. Next, we'll discuss the importance of diversity and inclusion. A diverse and inclusive workplace brings together different perspectives and ideas, leading to better problem-solving and innovation. Managers should promote fairness, respect, and equal opportunities for everyone. In the next scene, we'll look at how to develop your management style. Every manager has a unique style shaped by their personality and experience. Some are more hands-on, while others give their teams more independence. The best managers adapt their style to fit the needs of their team and the situation. Next, we'll discuss the importance of lifelong learning for managers. The business world is always changing, so managers need to keep learning. This could mean taking courses, reading books, or attending workshops. Lifelong learning helps you stay current and improve your skills. In the next scene, we'll talk about setting personal goals as a manager. Setting personal goals helps managers stay motivated and focused on growth. These goals could be related to improving leadership skills, learning new technologies, or building better relationships with your team. Next, we'll look at how to balance work and life as a manager. Balancing work and personal life is important for managers. Setting boundaries, taking breaks, and making time for family and hobbies can prevent burnout. A healthy work-life balance leads to better performance at work and a happier life overall. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of celebrating achievements. Recognizing and celebrating achievements, big or small, boosts morale and motivates your team. Managers should acknowledge hard work and reward success. This creates a positive work environment and encourages everyone to keep striving for excellence. Next, we'll talk about adapting to feedback and change. Being open to feedback and willing to change is key for managers. Listening to your team and making adjustments shows that you value their input and are committed to improvement. This flexibility helps your business stay competitive. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of setting clear expectations. Clear expectations help everyone understand what's required and how success will be measured. Managers should communicate goals, deadlines, and standards clearly to avoid confusion. This leads to better performance and fewer misunderstandings. Next, we'll look at how to handle mistakes and learn from them. Mistakes are a natural part of business. Good managers treat mistakes as learning opportunities, not failures. By analyzing what went wrong and making changes, you can prevent similar issues in the future. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of persistence in management. Persistence is essential for managers, especially when facing setbacks. Staying focused on your goals and not giving up helps you overcome obstacles and achieve long-term success. Persistence inspires your team and builds resilience. In the final scene, we'll summarize the key points of business management for beginners. Congratulations, you've learned the basics of business management, from understanding the main functions to developing key skills and building strong teams. Remember, great managers are always learning, adapting, and striving to improve. Use these fundamentals as a foundation for your journey in business management and keep building on your knowledge as you grow. Good luck on your management journey.